Tell me why they don't make a strawberry cheesecake Pop-Tart flavor. I mean, when I think about it, this is the perfect flavor combination.
We're gonna make this. Let's do it. All right, so what we ended up doing, even though he said it was a Pop-Tart, if I can really be honest with you, it tastes like we made our own strawberry cream cheese toaster strudels with all natural ingredients, non-GMO products. I highly recommend you try it yourself. The recipe didn't have exact measurements, so have fun with it. And try your best to find those products that are non-GMO. It takes a little bit more time in the store, but you have a smartphone with you. Just ask Google, hey Google, is this product genetically modified or is it GMO? And it will let you know yes or no and give you an alternative to it. Now we cut ours in half. After we did this part, we added butter on top before we put them in the oven and baked them at 400 and really kind of eyeballed to see how long it would take. I can't tell you how long. You'll just be able to know, but just know when you do, it's going to turn out delicious. Let me know in the comments if you're willing to try this recipe. My children absolutely loved it. Welcome to the Nash House.